check. Start off with the top. We got just regular black ODI grips with Odyssey power ends, FBM US8 bars, 29 wide, 9 rise. We've got the Shadow Tula stem and polished. Really good stem, it's holding up really well. We've got the Shadow headset, grenade cap and polished. Got a United beacon frame, still holding up strong. Just salt forks. Front wheel, we got Odyssey Aiken dirt tyres on with cinema rims on profile minis. Not too sure what spokes. Going further down, we got United seat, custom recovered. Odyssey 12-bolt cranks, Odyssey Chase Aux sprocket with Odyssey JCPC pedals. We got a Diamondback half-link chain, and on the back wheel, same setup as the front. Odyssey Aiken dirt tyre, 2.25. Cinema rim again, right hand drive, as you can see, profile mini. Again, not sure what spokes. Oh yeah, and shadow bottom bracket as well. Savage. Just put the camera somewhere so you can just hit the wheel. Savage. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos of riding clips and hopefully soon my edit. See you guys later.